How many private sector jobs were added in the latest Trump? The latest jobs report under the Trump economy showed an increase of 128,000 private sector jobs. This figure reflects the businesses hiring more workers in industries ranging from manufacturing to services. While this number may seem modest compared to previous months, it still indicates steady growth amid various economic challenges. It's important to remember that private sector job creation is a key indicator of economic health, showing how businesses respond to consumer demand and confidence. Breaking down the numbers, manufacturing added 12,000 jobs, highlighting a rebound in production activities. Professional and business services saw a stronger increase with 20,000 new positions, reflecting growth in sectors like consulting and technology. Meanwhile, retail and leisure industries also contributed to the total with moderate gains. This diverse job creation across multiple industries demonstrates that the private sector was expanding in several areas, not just one. What makes these job gains particularly notable is the backdrop of ongoing global trade tensions and domestic political uncertainty. Despite tariffs and negotiation hurdles, companies continued to hire, suggesting resilience in the U.S. economy. This resilience may have been fueled by strong consumer spending and investment, which helped businesses feel confident enough to expand their workforce. It shows that even in a complicated environment, the private sector can find ways to grow. Private sector job growth is more than just a number. It drives economic expansion, increases tax revenues, and supports household incomes. Policymakers closely watch these reports to adjust economic strategies. So, understanding how many jobs were added gives you insight into the economy's direction and the real impact of government policies on everyday Americans. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.